Much more, much more important. Okay. Now we are going to pandas. Okay. See, pandas have two types. Pandas having two types. One is series and one is data frame. So to implement pandas, we have to import pandas as PD. See, this is just a shortcut notation. Import pandas, right? Every time I have to write pandas, instead of that, I'll write PD. Okay. So there are two things. One is series and one is data frame. Series is a continuous elements like R list. Okay, continuous something, some one dimension. I can say it's a one dimensional. Let's see how it works. Okay, it is importing pandas, taking some time. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 5, and this is index 0, 1, 2, 3. Just forgot about for that now. See, you can create a pandas series like this. Okay, suppose if you want to get this element, right? If you want to get this element, how we are getting? A of 3. A of 3 is this one, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Like 0, 1, 2, 3. See, what is the index value of 5? 3,
3.
right? What is the index value of 3? 2. If I give
2.
A of 2, you will get 3. This we already learned in the list. But now we'll go for the data frame. Very, very important concept. Stay tuned. For example, you are having this data in your list. Okay, you are having this data in your list. This is your data. See, this is the name and age. Okay, name is Alex, age 10, Bob 10, clock 13. Okay, now you have to create a data frame, and I'll tell you what is the data frame as well. So we have done the pandas. Pandas is a module, and then we are creating a data frame, pd.dataframe, okay, of data. Data means what? This one, right? Just we are just creating a data frame, pd.dataframe, and then inside that we have a data columns. Columns is equals to name, right? What are the columns? Name and age, right?
Yes.
Okay, now you will see the magic. See, this data, okay, is converted to a data frame like this. See, data frame is nothing but where you will have a data set containing columns and rows. This is row and this is column. Looks like a table, right? Rows and columns.
Yes.
So to create a data frame, we have to create from pandas PD. Why PD? I've just import pandas as PD. This I gave a name, shortcut name PD. PD dot data frame of data and the columns for the data. Okay, clear?
Yes. Yes.
So now it is converted like a row column.
Like a table. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now let me create one more data frame. Pandas will have data frames. Yeah. This is one more data. Okay. df1. So how to create a data frame? How do we create a data frame?
df dot data frame.
pd dot pandas dot data frame of
Data.
A. A is the
Yeah.
data, right? And here
Okay.
there is no point of creating columns. We already have age and gender and the values for those. Let's see. Because this is a dictionary, you don't
Okay.
need to give columns additionally. Clear?
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
So now, if you want only age, how you will pick the age column? Now we'll play with rows and columns. Very interesting stuff from here. How do you get only age? Any guess? I want all
DF1
age.
of
Sorry,
A
DF1,
is A
DF1.
square bracket. A is like list will take from list.
Very good, very good. We are getting all the ages. Perfect. So now if someone asks you, okay, so this is your data set, okay? If someone asks a question to get age greater than 10, how do you get that? Clear, right? You got a age here, okay?
Yes.
If someone asks you to get age greater than 10, this is your data. How do you get that?
Maybe we can write in a loop.
Okay. For that, in pandas, see, TF of age, you know how to pick this column, right?
Yes.
So now what I will do is TF1 of, we are picking from data frame 1, right? We are picking from data frame 1.
Yes.
Inside this, you already know how to fetch the age column like this, right? DF1 of age,
Yes.
DF1 of age. And this should be greater than how much? 10.
10.
See, this logic, you know, age greater than 10, TF1 age greater than, but you have to put this logic inside the whole data frame. Then only from whole data frame, you will get these values. Okay. Now let's see. Clear?
Yeah.
Age greater than 10, getting female and male.
Yes.
Clear? See, from the whole data, you can filter the data like this. Very beautiful, right? I'll give one more data. This is one data.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, please.
What if I don't want gender? Only age greater than 10.
Only age greater than 10. Okay. This
Okay.
data frame is giving both age and gender, right?
Yes.
Inside that, I am again putting this. You told like this, right?
Yeah.
Same thing. Square bracket age.
Okay.
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 Cool. And this is new data now. Now I'll create a data frame too. Please tell me how to create
DF.
DPD.
Also PD. Always confusing. Of data frame. Okay.
See, now you have a table like this.
Yes.
You have a table like this. So now the data looks little realistic. Age is 25, job is S, he is doing job in Hyderabad, salary is this much, and BTech, no job, Hyderabad, salary somewhere is doing some work, is getting MTech, and this is the data, right?
Okay.
So in this data, see there are two major important functions I'll tell you. Just have a check. I want to pick this Chennai, only Chennai word, only Chennai word from this. So what I'll do is df2, just we have to remember this. Okay? df2 dot loc location. Loc means what? Location of the data frame. In this data frame, we are actually need to specify this location. Can you specify the location? What is the index? Check 0, 1,
1,
2.
2.
It is in second row. Second row,
Mm.
location key. That's it, right? 2 comma 2 colon location. You're getting Chennai? See, LOC is a location. Okay. LOC is what? Location. This will give you a row and this is giving column. row, column. Clear?
Okay.
I will standardize. One more example. I will standardize. df2 dot df2 dot location. df2 dot location. Now, if you say this, half the pandas is done. What will be the output? Check it and tell me. If I execute this, what will be my output? Try it out. Refer this also. Refer this.
Fine.
Sorry?
Give, give me a second.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. No and 2000.
Sorry?
Uh,
This one?
no and yeah.
No. You're getting little right. Come on.
No and 4000.
No. 4,000. These two.
But
Okay, let me execute and explain you. What you're getting. Now, can you check what is happening?
so you're getting from job to salary, everything.
Yeah. I'll write it.
Okay.
I'll write it here. What is happening? See, this is something like row start. This is a range, right? Row end. We already learned in lists. Comma.
Yes.
Whenever you're
Yeah.
getting column, comma, it is getting columns. Next one. Call start, call end.
Okay.
This is the formula of the location. See, here we
Okay.
gave nothing, so it is not coming. But if you
Okay.
can give a range, row start, what is 1? 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2.
Yes.
Row is 1, 0, 1, right? It will
Mm.
start from
Yeah.
0, index C. 1, 2. Okay.
And from
Row
job salary.
uh, from job to salary.
Yes.
Hyderabad, this part we are getting. Correct? Sorry.
Yeah. Got it.
This part. This one
Mm.
and the next line.
Yeah.
Clear?
Clear, clear.
Yeah. Just you need to practice these things. That's it. And there is one more thing. See, if this is done, you can play with this. Simple. Row start row end, column start column end. TF2 dot, there is one more thing called iloc. What is this?
Mm.
Lock and iloc. No one will explain this, but yeah, properly. But yeah, you can see this. Lock, see? Lock is what? Location. Row start row end, column start column end. What is iloc? iloc is also same thing, but it will do index location. It will see what? Index location. See, if you just see, you'll get it like this. It will give you index location. So for an instance, what will be the output of this? iloc of 2 comma 3. Index of 2
Mm.
is row.
Yes.
Column 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 2
Yeah.
and 3, right? So this is row. Whenever we put comma, it will be column, right? First one is row, second one is column. So what is row 2? Row 2 is this one, right?
Yes. Okay.
This is index, right? Index. And here also
Yes.
column is also denoted with index number. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is common.
4,000.
You have to get 4,000. Simple. That's it.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
You can play with that actually. But yeah, again, I'm creating a data frame. Till now, you're clear, right? Once you see, you will understand, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now create a data frame for this.
P of 3 is equals to
The 3 is equals to
PD dot
PD dot data frame of A.
A.
Because we already have key values, it's fine. Okay. Now df3. Okay, we are getting this, right?
Yes.
Still screen is visible, right?
Yeah, with
Okay. So now see this data set. I want a person whose age is greater than 28 and doing job. See, now we are going to little bit realistic. Little bit realistic.
okay.
Understood the question?
Understood.
Person
DF3
age
of
should be greater than 28 and he should do some job.
DF3 of
Yes.
DF3 is
Okay. Whatever condition we have to put it inside. Okay. Now inside this we'll put the conditions. Okay. Tell me.
DF3
df3
of age
of age
greater than
greater than
28.
28.
20.
Okay.
You want to do job?
Yeah. People having age greater than
Yes.
28 and he should hold a job. Can I write like this? df3 of job.
Oh, okay.
I'll just put this ampersand end condition
Okay.
is equals to job is equals to s. That's it. Can I execute this?
Yeah. Why do you give job is equals to yes?
So with this data set, how can you say whether he is having job or not? S and no, two values.
Okay. Okay.
If person is having job, yes, then he is doing job. Person is having job, no, he is doing job, no. I told that we have to
Very,
get,
yeah.
yeah. So see, it's giving some error. I'll tell you why. Actually, when you are writing anything conditions, multiple conditions, you have to enclose it with brackets. That's it.
Yeah.
I wanted to show this error. That's why. Now it's clear. See, clear, right? Very
Yes.
simple like English.
We can have multiple
Yeah,
conditions.
exactly. We
in
can
the-
have. Now we have two. And we can also have, okay, location is Hyderabad only.
Hmm.
Shall we do that?
Only Hyderabad.
Only Hyderabad people with job and greater than 28 age. See, people will ask person who is having job in Hyderabad and age is greater than 28.
Okay.
Now, how will you do? Age greater than 28, job is S, and location is equals to what?
Hyderabad.
HYD, yes. No one is having job greater than 20, age 20. See, no one is there. See,
Everything is there.
Hyderabad age is only 27. If you put Chennai, you will get this guy.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear. We did not give the bracket.
Okay, okay, good. Still should work. Perfect. Right? So if I ask you another question, can you pick it?
I'll buy. Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'll give you an assignment. That's fine. Let's move on. Okay. I will put something like this, some file. See, I have a orders.txt file. Okay. Orders.txt. See this orders file. One, these are rows, right?
Yeah.
Order ID, date, customer ID, and the order status. Order ID to
Okay.
date, customer ID, order status. Okay. But you don't have header here, headers. We are
Yeah.
interpreting. We don't have headers, right? Now, see, till now, you are actually doing this data into a data frame. Now, if you want to create a data frame from the file, see, in real world, we work with files. Okay.
Okay.
So now to create a data frame, read CSV. You have multiple files, read Excel, read HTML, read JSON, read Parquet, read pickle file, read SQL, read table, etc., etc. So Pandas is very powerful framework. It is providing read CSV. You can also read the text file. Okay, both CSV and text can be done in read CSV. What is the file? I have to give the file path like this, copy path. Like this I can give, or both are in same directory, right? This file and pandas file will be in same directory. I can give directly. This thing I told when we are reading files. df4. Okay. Do you see any header there?
No.
You have to give that header is none, because otherwise it will give the first row as header by default. Okay. Now we have to put the column names. Names is equals to, yeah. What are the column names we thought?
Let me open the file. I can remember.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Order ID, date, order
Order status.
date, customer ID, order, customer ID, customer ID, order status. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Just give the columns here. Clear? This is how, see, if there is header and all, we can remove this simply. We don't have header for that file. That's why we gave header none, and we are specifically giving the headers, right? Because the
Okay.
data is like this, it is not having any header, so we have to explicitly give the header. For that we gave everything in one list and then giving it as a name, and we are saying header is none. So this read CSV will consider there is no headers, add these headers. Clear?
Okay.
And we will also have one more thing called separator. Okay, see, separator will have hyphen t or p. What is the separator of each column? See, it is a CSV. CSV is something like comma separated value. When you see any CSV file, right? .csv, .txt. CSV is something like comma separated file. CSV, comma separated file. Okay, read CSV. You are reading the data. See, here it is by default with comma, right? It is separated with comma, right or wrong?
Yes.
So some files, some text files, see, this is .txt. In general, what we do in Python is .txt and .csv will read with CSV only. Okay, it will support. See, separator, right? So sometimes your file will have like this columns, pipe symbols. Okay, you'll have this pipe. You'll have this pipe. Okay, clear? Yes or no? If suppose the entire file is separated with these pipe symbols, then what we should do is we should give sep is equals to pipe. Sorry, sep is equals to pipe. Clear? To read into a data frame, see, currently it is straight away reading with commas. Currently it's
Yes.
straight away reading with commas, so we don't need to give that.
Or
Whatever,
we have
sorry,
with the pipes, we have to use the pipes then.
yeah, separator we have to give explicitly. If it is a pipe,
Okay.
it is a T slash and whatever the special character it is separated with, we have to give that special character in this separator. Otherwise, if it is comma, not required. See, now you see 68,883 rows just read just like 0.1 second.
Yes.
Created a data frame.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yes.
It is very.
Yeah. You can also do this with address.csv, but yeah, right now it's fine. So now if you want only, see, this is what df4. Okay, I'll just put it as orders. Okay, orders. Instead of df, I'll put as orders, just giving a proper name. Okay, orders data frame. So orders dot head. Head means what? In your, in a human body, head is in top, right? So first
Yes.
five you will get. First five. See, instead of doing everything, it's a one function. Okay, to just verify the data, we'll just put orders dot head. It will give first five records.
Okay.
Similarly, orders dot shape. Orders dot shape. What it will give is how many rows and how many columns. See, these are four columns. One, two, three, four. This is
Yes.
shape of the data frame. How many rows? 68,883 in total. Right? Clear? Order shape, order head. Clear?
Yeah. Clear.
These are just methods. Now, see the real world situation. See this data, real world situation. Now, you are a developer, you are a data engineer, right? You want, your business people want, who are having pending payments, who are having pending payments in particular date. Say, for example, in 2013, this date, okay? In this date, 2013, July 25, what? This one? Is it July 25?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. In July 25, see, the question is like this. In July 25, 2013, get me, get whose payments are pending. Can you write a query for this? Data frame query. Can you write a query?
Yeah. I will try.
Yeah. Tell me.
Orders is equal.
Okay. Orders. I have to put some conditions. Okay. Cool. I have done like this. Now tell me.
We go on.
Orders of. Hmm.
Order date.
Okay. Order date is equals to this thing.
Yeah. That's it. And
See, spaces are also important. Yeah. Hmm. And
and order state,
order square bracket,
order status
order status.
is equals to is equals to payments or pending.
See now how important this data frame became. Right or no?
Yes.
Now you are getting right why we are doing this data engineering, everything. Now you'll easily pick, okay, who is not paid, right?
Yeah.
See, these many orders are not pending on that particular date.
Okay.
See, clear?
Clear.
Okay, how do you get that count for now? For now, we'll discuss again. df5 dot shape. 41 orders are not paid in July 25,
Okay.
2013. Clear? This is row,
Yeah.
right? Row column. If you count, you will get 41. Okay. See, this ID is pending, this ID is pending, this ID is pending, this order ID payment is pending. Clear?
Yeah.
Now you're getting some realistic feel.
Yeah.
Okay, the same thing you can also do, same thing you can also do very simply. We have orders data frame, right? Where you have the entire data. Orders dot query. This is also one way of writing query. Inside this query, put the quotes. Inside this query, put the quotes, single quote. If you are putting single quote, you can check the condition with double quote. See, order status is equal to pending and order date is equal to this thing. Simple. Clear? You will get the
Okay.
same result. Here, what I have used, any of the way you can follow. Either this way or just a query way. This is a simpler way of writing. Clear?
Clear.
Just we are querying the data on table. Simple. Put query and order status is equals to payment pending and order date is equal to this thing. Clear?
Yeah.
Easy? Pandas?
Easy.
Okay. Now if I write like this, order status is equals to completed or closed. Completed or closed, either of both. Okay. You are getting 30,455
Good.
are closed or completed. Whoever has completed or closed, we can get it like this. Simple dot query.
Okay.
Okay. Now there is one more thing. See, orders will not take a break. We'll complete in half an hour. That's fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Order status, order status dot unique. See, you will just need to understand what are the order status available. See, data will be very huge. Okay. If I give you this
Yeah.
68,000 lines of this 68,882, do you really know how many order types are there, order status are there? Here you are seeing closed, pending, but here you don't know, right? There are many
Yeah. Yeah.
on hold, complete. So how to get that? How to get that unique order status? See, orders of order status, that means this column, this column. Inside this column, you are applying unique function. Unique will
Okay.
give you unique values of that column. See, closed, payment pending, complete, processing, payment review, pending, hold, cancelled, suspected fraud. These are all the order statuses available inside your data set. These are all the order statuses available inside the data set, right?
So
Now,
we'll take what we want and we'll check.
Yeah, we just need, we'll take what we want and we'll do. Yeah. These are all the existing order statuses. Okay.
Okay.
So now orders of, if I want each order count, what I'll do? Each order count. Very important. Understand. Each order status. Like let's say how many are closed are there. If someone asks you, okay, business people asking you, how many closed, how many payment pending, how many completed, how many processing, how many review, pending, hold, cancelled, how many are fraud? Valid question.
Yes.
So now what you will do? Straight away go to that column, order status column. Then these are values, right?
Yes.
These are values. Okay. Value counts. Wonderful.
Yeah.
See how easy. On 68,000 rows, we just done one small line and we are getting the beautiful data.
Yeah.
We can do this. See, value counts, you may forgot or you may not forgot, but you should understand the group by the same thing. Okay. Whatever you understood the code, right?
Yeah.
Value counts. That means it is giving each status value. I will write the same thing in a different way. Same thing, same question, orders dot, group by. Okay. Okay. For example, you're working in one company. Okay. You're working in some company. You'll have a data engineers. You will have a Java developers. You will have a AWS cloud developers, right?
Yes.
Every people are available in your company. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if I ask you, how do you calculate the data engineers? Understand this concept is very, very important. I've not connected my pen, but yeah, I'll just give you a heads up. Data engineers. This is a company, right? In your company, data engineers are sitting somewhere, right? Then Java developers, Java people are sitting here. They're mixed, okay? They're mixed. There are separate people which are gathered into one auditorium. And there is cloud people. Okay, these are skills. And one more guys are AI engineers. Okay. Now, if I ask you to calculate how many data engineers, how many Java people, how many AI guys, how you will calculate in a crowd of people in your company?
We'll group them and we'll calculate.
Yeah, you will just ask them to form a groups. Okay, as
Yes.
an organizer, you will ask them to form a groups. Then you will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Correct?
Yeah.
1 plus 1
Yeah.
plus 1 plus 1, okay, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Like that, you will count. Correct?
Yes.
So, grouping will be like this. Okay. Data engineers group. This is 1, 1, 1, 1. These are one person. Correct?
Okay. Correct.
And this is also Java people also 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 person. Something like this. Now you will actually do this summation of this. Correct?
Yes.
Sum. Okay. Group by concept is also same. What this group by will do is orders dot, okay, group by on. Where I am doing group by? I have to do group by on which column? Order status I am grouping, right? Order status. Now what will happen? If I do grouping on order status, what will happen? Closed will come to one place. Pending payments will
Payment.
come to one place. Complete will come to one place. That's what, right? On this column, I applied group by.
Yes.
Correct? All this will come to one place. Clear till now?
Yeah.
Okay. Once you group them, what you need to do? I have to submit, aggregate. Okay. Sum, average, okay, count, all these are called aggregations. What are these called?
Agree.
Summing something, counting something, doing average, right? Doing average. Okay. So these are called aggregations. Let me show you that. Aggregation is nothing but you're just grouping and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 like that, aggregating, right? Meaning of aggregation is formation of number things into a cluster. Again, grouping. See, when you can do aggregate, see, these are all aggregations. Minimum, maximum, mean, size, first, last, count, variable. These are all aggregations, right? These functions are called aggregated functions, okay? Minimum, how you will get the maximum value, maximum salary, right? Minimum salary from the data set, correct?
Yes.
So these are called aggregations. So now, what is our aggregation? We can just do count or sum, right?
Yeah.
Because of the question, what we can do?
We can count the payment pending.
Yeah, I'm just
Or,
naming that aggregation as order count. I'll show you why I'm
okay.
making it. Okay, see. Okay, okay, cool. I'll just do. See, now I'm getting everything. Order status, column, order status rows into one. See, completed into one payment, pending payment into one group, processing into one group, pending payments, pending into one group, closed into one group. Now, because of this group by till here, this thing is understood or not?
Yes.
Till now, you understood, right? That
Yeah.
means all the completed will come into one group. All the rows, completed rows. Okay, all the completed rows will come to one group. Correct or not?
Yes.
Can I count this order ID? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that?
Yeah.
Can I count or not? Order ID.
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Once I make it a group, I can count the order ID, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. So
Yes.
what I have to do, I have to perform aggregation on order ID. Again, don't worry, we'll have a lot of examples to show. See, I'm just count. This is your order count. See, here just I gave a name. Order count is coming as a column. Coming as a column. Count I am doing on. See,
On order ID.
grouping is one thing, but aggregating is another thing. Clear?
Yeah. Got it.
Grouping is
So if
all the rows you will get it into one group.
we, okay, okay.
And we are counting the order IDs. Simple. Order IDs are unique, right? We are counting it. Clear? These are all same thing, right? 1 to this is same. See, complete status how much? 22899. Cancelled 1428. See, I recommend to adopt this approach rather than this approach because in Spark we'll use more. Spark even it will be very easy. Aggregate group by. In SQL we'll use group by. Don't worry. Okay. But you understood,
What is
right?
it between this value counts and aggregations?
Value counts will also do the same aggregation. Counting.
Okay.
It's count, right? See, count. It will
Yeah.
count the values. Same thing will work behind the scene. It's a shortcut.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay,
Got it. Yeah.
just a shortcut. Orders. This is my orders, right? See, there is a date, right? Let me show you only 5 orders dot. Why to give lengthy notebook? Just show 5. How to show 5? Orders dot head. Okay, now we have this. See, I want to add a new column. I want to add a new column. How will you add a new column in dictionary? Orders of column name, right?
Yeah. We'll give key and
Key,
value.
right? Key. So now, what will be the functionality of the month? See, what is the month here? 7, right? This
7.
middle value is month. If you take this as a string, how do you get this 7, 0, 7?
2. I mean 0, 1.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something like that.
Yeah.
But I can do with split also, right? Split of this hyphen. Let me show you.
Yeah.
Let me show you. First, I'll code it here. Dot split of hyphen I can do, right?
Yeah.
So now 0 and 1. This is
1.
month, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now what I'll do, see, if I want to apply any functions, right? Any own functions, split we are writing on the data frame, right? Own function. Orders dot, you have to put apply. Apply, and I'm writing a lambda own function, right? See, when you are doing an apply, you can write own logic here on the data frame. This is
Okay.
not your own logic. This is just group by, which is by default, value counts by default, unique by default, query by default. But here you can mention these are default functions. Group by is available in data frame. Ages is available in data frame. Unique is available in data frame, right? But this thing, what we are writing is not available. That's why we put apply. We are applying some function, right? Order. Order is an input, right? Lambda. Only one order. That means each row is an input. Each row is an input. Each row is an input. Now, what I will do with that row? I have to get this 7, right?
Yeah.
Order. Each row is an order, right? One order, okay? Of order date, right? Order date. Then order date I got. Then what I have to do? Split. Hyphen 1. Correct? First element. First
Yes.
index. Axis is equals to, I'll tell you, don't worry about the axis. Later I'll tell you, okay? Now what I'm doing, I am applying some function. This is my own logic, okay? Splitting the order date. See what I'm doing inside. I'm just splitting the order date and taking 1. Correct? Splitting the order date and
Yeah.
fetching the month value. I'm putting just
Hmm.
lambda to pass each record. Each record. And I am assigning this to new column called month. Let's see what will happen. Orders is executed. Now let's see the orders data frame. Clear?
Okay.
Now my data is transformed like this.
Yeah. We can transform the same way time also, right?
Exactly. Very good. Now let me do one thing. Now you told, right, the range operator last time.
Yeah.
I will apply that one now. Okay. Year month we will take. Year month means this one.
Okay.
Month is there. I'll put one more column called year month. I will just pick this and put it here. I'll just pick this and put it here. Okay.
Okay.
So orders ready? Orders. Year month. Clear?
Mm. Clear.
Is equals to orders of, tell me,
Mm.
orders dot apply. I have to apply new functionality, right? We have to pick that string. We have to pick that string means apply new function.
Yeah. Lambda.
Lambda, order, each
Order.
row. Now tell me what you will do. Orders of order, sorry.
That-
You are getting each row, right? Each row.
Yeah.
Each row is order. Order of order date.
Order date.
Now I got the order date. Now you told
This
something, right? Mm. Can I put how much? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
six,
plus 1, 7. Outer bound is 1
seven. Yeah.
in string. Can I do this?
Yes.
X is equal to 1. I'll tell you later. Okay. Shall I execute this?
Yes.
Perfect. Beautiful. If I want to add new functionality, I'll put apply and I'll do with functions. Clear? See,
Yeah.
lambda of order means what will happen? Each order, each row will come as order here. That order we are actually picking. Okay? Clear?
Mm. Yeah.
Okay. Now, the same thing I want to store as month aggregation. What I want to do? I want to store this into new file here. This data frame, 68,883 rows, I want to store here into new file. What I will do? See, this is orders, right? Right now the orders is having order ID, order date, this one, month and year month. We created. We transformed
Yes.
the data, right?
Yes.
Now I will just do orders dot to CSV, two underscore CSV. See, two underscore dictionary, two underscore Excel, two underscore HTML, JSON and all. I'll just put two underscore CSV. Two means storing. Storing.
Yeah.
I'll give path. Currently, I'll give the same folder path. Months, year, month, dot CSV. Okay, clear? This is fine.
Yeah.
See,
We
check
pick
here.
up
There is
papa
nothing.
plus
Sorry.
dot CSV.
This
Month, year, month.
okay. Your comma. This one, right?
Yeah.
See, orders data frame I am storing into this file. Okay.
Okay.
See, here new file is created.
Okay.
Let's open this file. See, proper order, date, customer ID, order status, month, year, month. Beautiful.
Yeah. Can I ask a question?
Yeah, please.
How can we make this data into table form? Like,
Yeah, we have to store in, see, table format is your data frame itself, right?
okay.
See, currently, initially you have the data like this in text format.
Yes. Yes.
Now you have made into rows and columns.
Next columns.
Then only you are able to apply this all methods, transformations.
Yes. Yeah.
Now what you have done, original data is like this. Now you
Yes.
changed this data like this.
Yeah.
So the changing is called transformation. Very
Yeah.
important term, transformation, transforming. See, someone is very
Okay.
lean. Once they go to gym, they'll transform, right? We call they have
Yes.
transformed like same thing. Data is transformed.
Okay.
Okay. I'll give you one question. 15 minutes we can end up. Yeah? 10, 15 minutes. Can you tell me what will happen with this? I'm grouping on two things. One is month. Month is already there here, right?
Yeah.
Now
And
all
order
seventh month will come. In that seventh month, you will get the order status, correct?
status. Yes.
In that seventh month is 1 month. In that eighth month, you'll get order status. In that ninth month, see each month order status. Each month order status, right? 10th month if you
Yes.
have 10th month and order status. And we are counting it with order ID.
Yeah.
Let's check this, okay? See, month one. What is this? Month one. Cancelled.
Okay. Sorry.
110. Close. See, business can ask this question, right? Each month,
Yes.
Can you give me the status? Which are cancelled, which are closed, which are not completed, etc.
Yes, yes, yes.
So you have to group by what? Month. See, when
One.
someone says each month, each, the keyword each is very important. Each year, then go for grouping. Simple. That's how you have to group, right? Each means specifically each for each month. Okay, if you have 12 months, for each month, how you will calculate? Each month you have to group. Clear?
Clear.
Now I'll store this in month aggregated.csv. Let's see how it will look like. I've stored this file. Here you got. See, month one, these many are cancelled. All month ones are grouped here. All
Yes.
month twos are grouped here. See how beautiful your data is now. This one, they'll create a dashboards and they'll show, okay, pie charts and all. Clear? That we'll
Clear.
see later. But yeah, getting this,
Yes, yes.
how your data is getting transferred. Pandas is easy.
Easy and
Yeah,
interesting.
yeah. See, now we can just sort values. I want to sort my order customer ID. Just it is just sorting, nothing to do with that. One, two, three customer IDs are sorted, right? Order customer ID.
Yeah.
Now, a very just a 5 minutes. Bear with me. Okay. Now I'm creating a new file, orders.json. See, if your file is somewhere else, you have to just copy the path and give it while creating a data frame. For example, now I want to create a new data frame,
Okay.
df6. Okay.
Mm.
How do I create? pd dot. Now, what is the file extension? JSON, right?
Yes. Yeah.
I want to read the JSON file. Read JSON. JSON is something like a key values, okay? Key and value only. See these many order IDs. See the data.
Yeah.
Order ID is like this, okay? The same data I'm giving you in JSON. These many order IDs. And you will have order state and all, order date, customer ID, something like that. I'll just show you. Okay? Okay. Before that, see, I just copied it from somewhere, right? I'll delete it. So what I have, orders I have, right? I'll show you. Orders, right? This is my orders data, right or no?
Yes.
I will convert this orders into JSON format. Orders
Mm.
dot, how to convert to JSON.
Mm.
We stored into CSV, right? Two underscore CSV. To JSON, we are storing it. Orders dot JSON. Correct? This is the
Yeah.
file name. Entire 683 are stored into key value. Now order ID 1, 2, 3, 4 like that it will come. Order date 1, this one, this one, this one. See now right in the left side you don't have orders.json. Correct? If I'll execute
Yes.
this data frame dot to JSON, see that orders.json is created. Okay, see
Okay.
order ID 0, 1, 2, 3 and all right.
Yeah.
See, sure we have a lot of data. You have many things, so we cannot see at like this, but we can see with our pandas. Okay, okay, it hanged, it hanged, it hanged. Just a second. I'll just reopen it. Sorry. Just a second. Class is yet to complete. The last concept is this only. Just we can do with the different files. That's what I mean to show. Okay. So now orders.json is there. I will just try to create, just try to run everything. I opened it new, right? I'll run everything. It is running. See, each and every cell is running. take 1 minute. That's it. See, that long file I cannot open, right? That long file I cannot open. That's why what I have done, yeah, it ran. It got hanged, right? This orders.json I cannot show you in the long. That's why it hanged. So how to read this? How to create a new data frame? df6 is equals to pd dot
Dot
reads JSON
read.
orders.json.
This what is.
Let's see df6 dot show. df6 dot, sorry, head. We'll see only first file. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
See how beautiful it is. The JSON data is looking like this. Now we create it into tabular format. Beautiful.
Yes.
You can store this like I stored like this, 2 underscore JSON, 2 underscore CSV, 2 underscore Excel. Similarly, any files we can actually take. Okay. And there are some important things here. See, while your lines is true or not, means you'll have one by one line. It is completely in single line, right? Your JSON is completely in single line. But some JSONs will be vertical, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay. Like then those options will be useful. Lines is equal to true, like that. Okay. Like that you can put it. Lines is equals to true, like that. Here there are only single line. We don't give lines. Something like that. So there are some options we can explore. Okay. Not exactly what I'm telling. But yeah. Clear? Pandas? Any questions?
No.
Class is clear, right?
Yeah, it's clear.
See, we just need to understand the pandas. Sometimes you'll have tasks like convert your pandas to Spark data frames. And you should understand the pandas code. Mostly we write Spark data frames. Again, we'll repeat this in SQL. Again, we'll repeat this in Spark. But this is for Python. Clear? Only
Yeah,
one
clear.
class of Python is left. That is for iterators, generators, and some interview stuff that I'll take at the end of this course. But yeah. With this, we can call Python is done. NumPy and all not required for us at the moment. But yeah, whenever required, I'll just get in, getting into the video or getting into your in between the concepts and all. Yeah, getting
Yeah.
into the picture. Cool. Any questions you have?